robe. How cute is this? It's from Cotton On Body. I am obsessed. It is currently 10 o'clock. What time is it? 10:30. I'm gonna take you guys with me on my day because I desperately need to leave the house. It's been a hot minute, and considering my birthday is in 3 days, I wanted to just have some fun. I wanted to take myself on a date and do stuff. Oh, by the way, I also got my hair done. I'm a little bit fresher. I'm looking a lot more prepared for summer and spring. I'm looking a lot less dead inside. I got like a full head of foils and a little bit of a root shadow because when my regrowth grows out, it is absolutely disgusting. Anyway, I'm just gonna take you guys on a day today and I have literally no plan. So that's really, really scary because I don't know where this video is going to go. It has no direction. I know that I want to go to Kmart. I want to go to Bunnings because I want to make a herb garden. I've been wanting to do that for a while now. So I think today's the day. This is basically just a day where I'm going to do a lot of things for myself because it's my birthday this week. I deserve it. And I'm just kind of sitting here contemplating on what I'm going to wear because I literally have no idea. It's supposed to be hot today. It's supposed to be 27. So it's quite a sticky kind of day, you know, sticky, ew. Okay, we're gonna go with a classic. I've got my white linen pants. I love these. I literally live in them. And then this black long sleeve. I think that's cute. Oh, I just took off my press-on nail. Okay, I need to quickly glue that back on. BRB. I think this is cute. Potentially. Yeah, no, this is cute. I really want to get my toenails done. Like, they're looking a little bit gross at the moment, and now that the weather's warming up, I'm gonna have the dogs out more. Like, the dogs are going to be in the public eye, and I really want them to look cute because at the moment they do not look cute. They're a little bit nasty, a little bit, you know, could be cuter. Oh, I need fuel. Okay, let's go get some fuel and then we're gonna go shopping and stuff. I've stopped at like a little, what is blinding me right now? I've stopped at this little homemaker center because I'm having a picnic for my birthday this weekend, which is so exciting. And I want to go to a Pillow Talk and a Dares and just check out what kind of fake flower arrangements they've got going on. Like, not only for the picnic obviously, but then I can also put them in my room or like I use them over and over again. Like, I love the idea of some pretty fake flowers. That's the idea. My car is blinding me. Stop it. All right, we're ready to go. I didn't find my flowers. They didn't have any in stock, unfortunately, which is, it's okay, it's fine. I did get a two-handed oven mitt thing. I don't know like what this is actually called. I just know it's like a two-handed oven mitt. Double oven mitt glove. I was close enough, let's be real. We have one at the moment and it's literally been in, like, it's disgusting and it's really greasy and gross, and I feel like no matter how many times we wash it, it's past its point of being good ever again. But I've never been able to find like a really cute one to replace it with, and I mean, I could just buy a boring one, but is that really how I live? No, I'm an extra girly. I can't help myself. So I saw this one in Pillow Talk. It's so adorable. It's so cute. I can just, I can bake. I'm gonna go Kmart and have some fun, you know, frolic around in Kmart because why not? Why not? I think I'm gonna get my nails done first because then I can walk around with fresh nails. There's a salon right here, so let's go get my nails done. I'm in Kmart having a browse. I'm looking at jammies at the moment because I saw that they bought out these really cute ones. I'm trying to find them. No way. I literally bought these full price. Like, not these, but the pants and the bralette. They're on sale for $6. Kind of mad, kind of pissed. I'll forget and forgive. Where are these jammies I saw? These little shorts. Oh, they're so cute. Love these. And they also come in grey, green. The green is so cute. So adorable. I do not need any more jammies though. I have too many, so out of there. I'm looking for a pot. I can't choose between the big one for my herbs or the tiny little one. I feel like the little one's too little, so I'm probably gonna have to get some of these. I've been eyeing this off for the longest time. I don't know where I'd put it, but I really love it. need to behave. Although it is my birthday week. No, guys, I found a Christmas one. It's a pudding. Do I get this? Amazing, I will. Okay, I'm back from Kmart and I bought a little bit too much stuff. I didn't mean to do that. I mean, to be fair, we needed these, but I mean, they had some goodies and they were delivering. I also went to NQR, so I thought I'd give you a little haul of what I got from there, because someone in my last vlog asked me for an NQR haul. You ask, you shall receive. Some Smith's chips. So much cheaper than Woolies, let's be real. And I am a fiend for a chip. Like, I love chips. It's my kryptonite. It's my weakness. I love chips. I got 2 no sugar Powerades because Tyler and I love a little drink after a hot girl walk or something. These were like $1, so cannot complain. I also got some rice crackers. I love rice crackers. Like, I could eat them all the time for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I got tomato, red onion, and balsamic. And then I got pink salt and vinegar, which sounds even better. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm really excited to try them. And then I also got these for Tyler. They're like little protein porridges, and he's always on the lookout to like bring up his protein intake. He's on the gains. He's a gym boy. While I was in Kmart, I did get a little yowie. So I thought I would open this. Tyler and I have been buying yowies. At the moment, you can get little dinosaurs inside the eggs, and I love dinosaurs, so does Tyler. So we're like, oh, every time we go to the supermarket we buy a yowie and see which dinosaur we get inside. Plus I got a sweet treat. I got some chocolate. We already have the triceratops, the ankylo, we have like a duck-billed thingamabobby, I don't know what it's called, and we have the spino. So hopefully we get something cool in this. I'm usually more excited when we're both opening one, but it's just me today. Oh no, we already have this one. This is the duck-billed one. This sucks. I was hoping to get a dinosaur that we didn't have, but anyway, it's fine. I'm gonna make my way over to Bunnings and buy some plants. I bought a lot of pots from Kmart, as you can see back here. There's a big old pot and I need to put a plant in it. I'm thinking an olive tree because we used to have an olive tree, but it died. My fault completely. I really want another one because I really like olives and I'd love to grow my own olives. I'm also gonna get some herb garden stuff because I want to create my own little herb garden. I've been wanting to do it for the longest time. Today's the day, so. Guys, look, I have a little ladybug on me. Hello, little ladybug. What are you doing? I wonder if I can, like, come here. Oh no, he's running. Okay, lady beetle outside. I can't believe there was a ladybug on me. I feel blessed. I'll see you guys when I get home and we'll garden together. I'll give you a little haul of the things that I got from Kmart. Really impulsively, didn't mean that. Okay, it may or may not be the next day, but we're gonna pretend that it's not. I'm gonna quickly go through the Kmart stuff because I have a haul coming up that this stuff is going to be more thoroughly talked about. So I'm gonna quickly go through that. And I did end up getting some stuff from Pillow Talk. I kind of backtracked myself and I decided, you know what? I need some stuff for my little picnic that's happening this weekend. A big old pot for my olive tree. I also got a little diary. I think this is so cute. Plus it's pink and green. 2 of my favorite colors. I could not resist. Couldn't resist. I also got this green little tray. I thought it would help bring a pop of color into my room. I've already showed you that. That's the pot. Rechargeable lamp. But I literally have the same thing right here. Like, this is legit the same lamp, but you know what? I'm kind of over the green. I also got this mirror to replace my heart mirror here. Do you hear that? It makes a really strange kind of buzzing sound and I'm not loving it. It's only just started doing it and I'm not loving it. And the light is very dim. Like, it used to be very, very bright, but it's very dim at the moment. So I'm gonna replace it with this one, which I think will be so much more cooler than the heart. Like, the heart is cute, don't get me wrong, but the flower. This is some really boring stuff, but I needed a new charger for my phone, so I got that. I needed a new screen protector for my phone, so I got that. And I also needed a new phone case for my phone because my phone case at the moment is broken. And then I got 2 little pots with sauces, and then I got a big one. And then I got 2 of these flexi tubs because we use these for when we do our laundry and ours are broken. And then from Pillow Talk, these are my little pink flowers that I got for my picnic. And I'm also going to be putting them in these little vases here. These are so cute. I got 2 of them because I'm going to separate the flowers and like put them in there. You know how that works. Oh my gosh. I also got these little flower shaped coasters. I don't actually know what I'm going to do with these because there's only 4 here. I have 12 people coming. So I'm like, what? I think I just wanted these for myself. And then I also got this huge marble tray coaster. It's not a coaster. I don't know what this is called. Plus it goes with the coasters, so I think that's adorable. I'll probably like sit some candles on these or something. So I got those as well, and that's everything that I got. Oh, and my little oven mitt thing as well, but that's in the kitchen and I can't be bothered going to get it. So now I'm going to put everything to use and I'm going to do a little desk revamp. I just want to zhuzh it up a little bit more to kind of go with the style that I'm loving at the moment, which is pinks and cutesy items and things like that. Because at the moment I'm not loving it and I want to be able to love my desk. Let's open the lamp first. I'm actually so excited about this. That is so gorgeous. And this is my old one. Like, look at the size. This one's taller, but this one is like bigger in the dome. Oh. How did I thought it had to be plugged in to turn on, but that is obviously not right. This one you need to have plugged in to turn on. I mean, it says rechargeable lamp on the box, but anyway, besides the point. While we're here, we may as well open up my little mirror, my new mirror. I'm actually really keen about this as well. The same color as well, but this one had like ombre blue on it, which I wasn't the biggest fan of. It's like a more minty green, which I love so much more. So it's got a yellow setting. It's got a green setting. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That would be such good like nighttime ambient lighting. Ew! And then there's just like a really pale white. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, I think I've got some kind of vision going on here. It's not the best, but it's as good as it's gonna get because I'm overthinking this. But I just got my little coaster here, so when I have my morning coffee, I can just put that there, put the coffee on it, easy. My little lamp, which is going to be so cute. Tulips are staying, YouTube block is staying, obviously. Got my little journal, so I can just journal my thoughts away. My little mirror, and then my makeup brushes. And then I've also put the other coaster over there on my side tables. And now I've got to deal with all this mess. And then we're gonna go plant my little plants. Welcome to my garage slash side door area. This is like the most used door in our house. And we have an olive tree already, but it's dead. That's our dead olive tree. Anyways, that is the reason why I bought another olive tree. So anyway, I've got my gardening tools. I got my little shovel and I got my little, whatever that is, I don't know. Got my gardening gloves, which we are going to put on. Also rocking the sandal sock combo today. Don't worry about that. I really don't know how to do this. Crush it up a bit. It's all stuck together. I love the idea of an olive tree right next to like a back door or a front door or something. I think it looks so sophisticated. It looks very gorgeous. If anyone has any garden tips that they can offer me, please do let me know because I'm not a gardener in any way, shape or form. I literally just grabbed some soil and I'm going to hope for the best. I should not be doing this. We're going to plonk that in there. Okay, right now we've transferred the olive tree. I'm feeling a lot less stressed. I'm feeling really good about this. This pot that I got from Kmart for $10, mind you, looks so fancy. And she looks so luxe. I really hope this is like my forever olive tree. Like I hope me and this olive tree grow together. I'm going to get rid of the shovel. I'm just going to get my hands in there. That is so much easier. Why did I not do this from the beginning? The hands are so much quicker and easier. You know what? That is actually adorable. All right, we've got to de-plastic this. Let's do with the basil first. Let's do the basil. I'm gonna put scuba da in there. Why am I still using this shovel? I should just use my hands. It's so much easier. I think I'm gonna have to transfer this basil once it grows a bit more because this is kind of small for the little basil. And I know basil plants grow massive. That is adorable. Okay.
I've literally got soil everywhere on the ground. There is soil all over my feet. I'm gonna have to have a shower after this. I feel so dirty. I should put these plant. So that's mint, it's basil, and this is curled parsley. So yes, rest in peace, old olive tree. But now it's time for you to be replaced. The bigger, better tree. Oh, look at that. That's so stunning. I love. Okay, so I moved the olive tree over here instead of being here. I just feel like it looks so much better there. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. I just obviously need to get a bigger pole because she's a bit wobbly, and it's already got its little seeds, which I'm so excited for. But to be honest, I already bought it like this from Bunnings. Like, I made sure that the olive tree that I was picking out was already fruiting because I want some olives. I'm really excited for olives. And then if I come around here, I've just got this out here at the moment because it smells very soily. Like, it's so overpowering, the soil smell. So once that smell kind of clears away, I'm gonna put it back inside. But for now, she's outdoors. So I've got my mint, which smells amazing. Got the curly curly parsley, and then I've got my little basils here as well, and then I've got the other parsley to plant. But I need another pot. I didn't cater for that, so I need to go back to Kmart and get another pot. But for now, there's my little herb garden. She's very cute. I'm very excited.
I'm literally so exhausted. Oh my gosh, that was so sweaty. Like, who knew gardening was so sweaty? It doesn't help that it's 27 degrees outside, but like, besides the point, it's sweaty. Hence why I've changed my clothes again, because I desperately needed to get out of my gardening clothes. This video is going to be uploaded on a Thursday, which is going to be my birthday, by the way, so be sure to say happy birthday to me, otherwise you're done. Also, be sure to check out my other videos as well, because not only am I uploading every Sunday and Thursday night, but you will also support me in every way, shape or form, which I really appreciate. Anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. I will see you in my video this Sunday. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm uploading twice a week. That's crazy. See you then.